Why do you think that Bradbury would introduce Clarice before Montag's wife, Mildred? He was remembering her face. That doesn't even make any fucking sense. Oh my god. What the fuck? I don't even know who the fuck you are. I didn't run away from you. Whoever the hell you are. I didn't do shit. Really? Oh, so you're pissed at me for doing nothing. You fucking asshole. You're fucking hilarious. Huh. I can't wait to see how you die. Well, of course I can't wait to see how you die, Ben.